Hey guys, it's me Sid. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in for today's episode. So for today, I will be doing an unboxing video and an on-feet look of this pair of sneakers I'm gonna review for today and unbox for today. This is a pair of sneakers that he asked me to review for him. So here it is. Gucci, guys. Gucci Ace Low sneakers. So you can see a very subtle, minimalistic Gucci branding right there. You know it's Gucci, just by looking at it. And going around the box, you see some tags right there, here and here. And nothing much on the other parts of the shoebox, but that's not what matters in this shoebox. It's what's inside that matters. So we're gonna unbox the pair of sneakers, and voila. Look at this, guys. Premium paper. Wow. Okay, so when you open the box, you get this 5, I don't know what this is called, but let's just say they're like those things you see when you get your new phone. Like, I don't know, it's just maybe how they describe the company Gucci, or how they make the shoes, or what is the background story of the shoes they made this one. But yeah, just gonna put this away first. Then right off the bat, you get your first side of the sneaker. The sneakers are inserted in this shoe bag right here. So you get your off-white, cream, or beige colored shoe bag with a Gucci branding right here. And again, in a shade of off-white or beige, and with a contrast black at the sides of the branding. So, you know, I would really say it's a very premium pair of sneakers, just, you know, going with this shoe bag. So anyways, put the shoe bag away. You get your shoe right here, the Gucci Ace Low sneakers. You got your premium leather upper with this Gucci branding right here at the side, in the navy blue or dark blue and red colors. Then you have your loved embroidered detail or accent. My friend told me that this is kind of like, there's a background to this design right here. To those Gucci fans who know this stuff, comment what's the correct thing I'm supposed to say regarding this detail right here. Going at the back of the shoe, you get your contrast red Gucci red heel counter with the subtle Gucci branding at the back of the shoe. Then go to the middle side, you just have your Gucci branding right here. So there's nothing much with the shoe. And, you know, looking at the tongue, it's just a normal tongue with no designs or accents or details right there. And you have your standard white Gucci laces. I prefer saying premium white laces, but yeah. So your midsole is your premium rubber midsole. It's stitched around for, I don't know, for support or stability. Then going at the outsole, you have this wavy kind of design or pattern for your outsole. So if you can see, then at the middle you have your signature design at the outsole, which I think is pretty dope. It's very classy, if you'd ask me. There's like a knight, and the thing for the steering wheel for the ship, I don't know. And there's a flower here at the left. But yeah, as I've said, it's cool detail at the outsole. Then under that, you have your Gucci subtle branding here, made in Italy. So that's for the left side of the shoe. Well, it's just the same, but I just like to open, you know, the other sneaker. So here at the other side, it's basically the same, but instead the heel counter right here is in a navy blue. So yeah, it's different from the other one that's red, which I think is a pretty cool detail by Gucci, if you'd ask me. It's not your regular shoe that both heel counters have the same color. For me, it stands out. You know, you get that head turner kind of feel when you walk around with these pair of sneakers. That's all for the review. My thoughts for this pair of sneakers. Well, for me, I could wear this with almost anything. You know, basically it's just a white pair of sneakers with some really cool contrast details and accents. It just looks dope. The way it's just made, it's not that complicated. It's just a retro-inspired Gucci Ace. This is kind of like a high-end version of the Puma Super Suedes or the Adidas Continentals or something. But this one, it just stands out, you know, from the brand, from the details. They put the love details right there, the embroidered details. It's just so cool. It's not a regular pair of sneakers you'd see in the open. Now with my review out of the way, I'm gonna show you guys how these look on feet. Well, show you guys how these look on my friend's feet, because this isn't my size and this is his pair of shoes. So yeah.
Might have had your fill, I can feel it still.
So that's all for the on-feet look of the Gucci Ace Low sneakers. Anyways, if you guys want to follow my friend Alex Jonas, the guy who I told you about a while ago for lending me this pair of sneakers, just go check his Instagram, AJ_Jonas with 3 S's. The link is in the description down below. So that's all for today. Please leave a like, comment on your thoughts on this pair of lit premium Gucci Ace sneakers. Subscribe to my channel for more sneaker related content and hit that notification bell to see my videos as soon as possible. So I'll see you soon on the next video. Stay in school. Bye.